Hey guys, this is Ken. We're back in my garage. It is 32 degrees in here. It's about 3 degrees outside though. So I haven't been doing much work, but I just wanted to show you before I take off for warmer climates for a couple of weeks what we've been up to. We have the inner fenders down here. They've been cleaned and etch primed and dents taken out and all that sort of thing. We've got the main fenders sitting on the tires. It actually looks kind of cool if you back them. Look at that's kind of cool. That's lowrider look. Everything in the engine bay done. This is going to move a little bit down lower when the fender goes on, but the hydro boost is all working. The modern power steering pump is all working. Everything's working. The fans controller is working. We got that coming on when we wanted it to. It was coming on a little earlier. Got some cords running my heaters here. The interior is coming along. I'm working on getting the cowl fresh air scoop working under the dash. The dash all lights up. Let's take a look at that. Can you see that? I like that. The old heater, which is way over there, that's working. I wired in the controls here. This opens the knob, black knob right here. Operates the defrosters. This operates the heater. It turns it one way for blowing out and another for blowing up to the defrost. So that's kind of cool. In back, everything is exactly as it was. The gas tanks are in place. I do need to adjust the senders here. I followed the directions, but they weren't quite right. If I raise the arm of the float level just a little bit, it should be good. Because right now when it's empty, it shows I got a little gas. When I'm not quite full, or when I'm full, it shows me it's not quite full. So if I shorten those arms a little bit, it'll be perfect. Other than that, it's just too dang cold to be working out here. So I will not have a video in the next week or so, other than this one probably. But as soon as I get back, our weather's supposed to get a little better, and I'll get back out into the garage and get some things done. But while I'm gone, if you're in warmer climates, get out there and work on your stuff. Catch you later, guys.